Do you want to learn how to use the English pronouns like a pro? Pronouns are those little words used to replace nouns in sentence. I am Jay, your English teacher.
Welcome to today's lesson. Learn English for fun here at Panda J UK. Let's go.
We use singular pronouns when talking about one person or thing. For example, instead of saying Jay is a teacher, we can say he is a teacher. When I talk about myself, I say I. For example, I am a teacher. When I talk to one person, I say you. For example, you are my friend. For a girl or a woman, I say she. For example, Anna is a doctor. She is a doctor. For a boy or a man, I say he. For example, John is my brother. He is my brother. For things, objects, or animals, I say it. For example, Felix is my cat. It is my cat. Now, repeat after me. I, you, he, she, it. 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 When we speak about more than one person, thing, object, or animal, we use the plural pronouns. We use plurals for groups of people. The first plural person is we. If I talk about myself and another person, I say we. So, we is me, plus another person or more. For example, John and I are brothers. We can say we are brothers. Or, John and I are friends. We can say, we are friends. Or, my sister and I are at school. We can say, we are at school. Now you try. Listen and repeat. John and I is we. 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 The second plural person is you. If I talk to you and another person, we say you. You and John is you. For example, you and John are in the classroom. You are in the classroom. You and your friend are Spanish. You are Spanish. Now you try. Listen and repeat. You and John is you. 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 The third plural person is they. We use they for other people. Two or more people, but not me and not you, we say they. For example, John and Terry is they. Not me, not you. John and Terry. They. For example, John and Terry are at the park. They are at the park. My parents are teachers. They are teachers. Now you try. Listen and repeat. John and Terry is they. 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 Today we have studied the English pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Well done. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give us a like and watch the next video for more.